With me today Ashwita and Paridhi, and now I will ask them Marathi questions and they will translate into English, and you must watch this video till the end and you observe that who are giving fast answer. Okay, Ashwita and Paridhi. Okay, I don't want any mistake and I want grammatically perfection. Okay, you have to answer fast. You have to answer in speed. Okay, ती पत्र पाठवते का?
Does she send a letter?
ती पत्र का पाठवते?
Why does she send a letter?
तिने पत्र कधी पाठवलं?
When did she send a letter?
तिने पत्र पाठवलं का? तिने पत्र पाठवलं का?
Did she send a letter?
ती पुस्तक पाठवते का?
Does she send a book?
Send a book. Okay. तिने पुस्तक कधी पाठवलं? तिने पुस्तक कधी पाठवलं?
When did she send a book?
ती पुस्तक का पाठवणार?
Why will she send a book?
तो पुस्तक देणार का?
Will he give a book?
ती पैसे देते का? ती पैसे देते का?
Does he give money? Does she give money?
ती पैसे का देणार?
Why will she give money?
ती पैसे पाठवते का?
Does she send money?
तिने पैसे का दिले?
Why did she give money?
तो प्रवेश करत आहे का? त आहे. तो प्रवेश करत आहे का? तो.
Is he entering?
तो प्रवेश कधी करत आहे?
When does he? When is he entering?
त्याने प्रवेश का केलेला होता? का केलेला होता?
Why had he enter?
तिने प्रवेश केलेला आहे का?
Has she enter?
Okay, in continue only verb ing and perfect verb third. Imperfect verb third, perfect present, perfect past, perfect future. Okay, and continue present, past and future verb ing. Okay, ती प्रवेश करत होती का? ती प्रवेश करत होती का?
Was she entering?
तो प्रवेश का करत आहे?
Why is he enter?
Why is he entering? Verb ing. You are forgetting verb ing. Okay. तिने प्रवेश कधी केलेला होता?
When had he entered?
Continue present, continue past, continue future verb ing, and perfect present, perfect past, perfect future verb. Okay. See, you have to practice on that, and I will take again your video. And in this video, I don't want any mistake. Okay. Yes. Thanks for watching our video.